proud to boast that we're home to the most hard-working, diligent and adaptable workforce in Europe, the Poles. They're bloody good, aren't they? Yeah. Round of applause for the Poles.
On YouTube, type in PSHOW. 100k plat says PSHOW.
Welcome back to PSHOW, back again with another reaction video. So in today's video, I'm going to watch a few videos of a few different creators talking about their life experiences when they've come over to the UK, because I know that in the early 2000s, a lot of Polish people migrated into the UK for a better life and better opportunities. But the tables have turned and a lot of Polish people are returning back home because they've realized that life is actually better in some cases back home in Poland. The number one statement that a lot of British people used to say about Polish people coming over to the UK is that they come over into the UK and steal their jobs or take their jobs. Now, for me, that kind of showed how lazy a lot of people are. Not all, but some people are in the UK.
Of course, you get a lot of right-wing people saying, oh, these Poles, they come over here taking our jobs. I was thinking, if a guy from Poland arrives, he doesn't speak the language, doesn't have any money, doesn't know anyone, and he takes your job on the first day, you're shit.
The reality and the truth of it is there was jobs available that the British people didn't want to do and the Polish people were willing to do it. One thing that I do know for sure, and I've seen it with my own eyes, I've seen it, I've experienced it, is that Polish people, when they're working on something, they put in 150% in whatever they do.
Jak w ogóle Polacy są odbierani w Anglii?
Dobrze, mi się wydaje. Tak, dobrze. Znaczy, są stereotypy wszędzie, nie? Że nic ino robimy, ino pijemy wódki, albo jak są, niektórzy tam mówią, że przyjeżdżamy ino po benefity, żeby zasiłki brać, ale myślę, że większość opinii jest bardzo pozytywnych, bo kurde, Polacy strasznie zapierają w Anglii, nie? I mają bardzo dobrze ich oceniają o tym, że kurde, oni robią pracę. Jak Anglik coś zrobi, a Polak coś zrobi, to widać, że to Polak zrobił, bo jest zrobione 10 razy lepiej, nie? No po prostu dbają o taki standard, że ciężko pracują. Tak samo jak mój...
And I feel like when the British people saw this, they were a bit maybe intimidated, maybe a bit scared. So that's when they started to hate the Polish people. But because the Polish people worked so hard and climbed the ladders, the British people started to realize that, you know what, instead of becoming enemies with them, let's actually join forces and work together. But after many years of Polish people being in the UK, they have started to realize that back home, the life is better. I guess a lot of people also have questions as to why Polish people migrated into the UK in the first place.
Thousands of Polish people left for the UK chasing higher wages in the 90s and 2000s. And now many are packing up and coming home back to Poland. And here's why. Back then, the difference in earnings was huge. If you were young and ambitious and could make it, a week in London wages might take a month back in Poland. So people left and the UK's economy benefited massively. From construction sites to hospitals, IT to agriculture, Polish work ethic became a backbone in so many industries. But fast forward 20 years and Poland isn't the same country anymore. Motorways that rival Germany's spotless city centres, a booming tech sector and wages that are catching up fast. You feel pride here, people take care of their towns.
At one point, Poland wasn't all that great and Poland wasn't as it is now. One thing that I can also say about the UK is opportunities are there for the people that are willing to work. You have to be willing to work. When you come to the UK, you need to have a plan and you need to stick to it. Do not let anything distract you, whether it's relationships, friendships. The reason why Poland has developed so much is because Polish people are proud of themselves. When you sort of doubt them, they find a way to sort of maneuver around and turn their situations around. So they turn negatives into positives. When a lot of people disliked them or didn't want them in the country, they did go back, some of them, and they basically took what they saw over here, built that back home, and obviously now Poland is a place where a lot of people would want to visit.
This is so wild to me. I'm sitting on my balcony in Poland in the summertime during my Euro summer, and I'm just staring out into the Polish view. It's so beautiful. And I'm just like taking it all in. Listen.
Struggle, it was suffering, but in actual fact, I'm amazed at their roads, their networks, the quality of how they live. And why is it doing well? Because they took everything from here. And when they were told that we don't want you here, they went back and they built their own country. And for that reason, I give the Polish max amount of respect.
Again, that shows their resilience. And with the way that life's going now, there's a lot of people in the UK that actually want to move to Poland from what's been said in these videos. Now, if you're Polish and you've lived in the UK and you've sort of like gone back, or if you've like visit frequently, please do share in the comments what's your sort of experience. Do you sort of prefer life back home, which I feel like a lot of people would agree that life back home is always better? But do you feel like actually your family migrated to the UK and life is actually better and you prefer it in the UK?
I left Poland in 2007 at the age of 7, and Poland was very, very different to the Poland that we know now. Like when I lived in Poland when I was 7, I remember my parents telling me why we moved. There was nothing, there was no jobs, no money. It was grey, horrible, dark and shit. So we jumped on a plane, flew to England, took a risk and attempted to start a better life in England, which we did. Now, at the time of my move to England, a lot of Polish people were doing the same. So a bunch of Polish people came over to England for the same reasons as me. But now they're all bloody going back. And for good reason, bruv. Life in England is going significantly downhill.
And this disclaimer is just for me to let you guys know that me working with Polish people, there isn't anything bad that I can say because I've not experienced the bad side of how Polish people may treat others. But I do know that not everyone gets on with everyone. And that might be because of different people, different cultures and things like that. But as for me, I haven't experienced any negativity from the Polish people. Beyond me reacting to these videos, I genuinely believe that immigration is such a huge topic that so many people from different countries face it. And the fact that on this channel, there's literally subscribers from all over the place, from Turkey, Poland, Slovakia, Czech. Having so many subscribers from so many different countries has literally opened my eyes to know that there's so much happening in so many different countries that I would have never ever thought about. That's why I'm even touching on this immigration topic relating to Poland. But going forward, I'm going to touch on other countries too, because the same things are happening, but in just different forms in different countries as well. So for me, this immigration topic, this won't be the end of it. Peace.